Welcome, here I've got Denver device and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's see what we've got, and let's start by tapping on the center like that. As you can see, this square is appearing, so this is our focusing here, and we can easily focus like that by doing this. So this is how it works, and now let me show you how to zoom. We can do it by using 2 fingers, like that. And as you can see, we get closer to the subject of the picture and also go back. So this is how it works. And now let's move to this one button here. By tapping on this we can manage the flash, we can turn on the auto flash, turn on flash every time you take a picture, and also turn it off here. So this is how it works. Now let's go to the settings bar here. Here we can change the modes of this camera from the left. By tapping on this we get access to the panoramic mode. At the center we have the face beauty mode, and from the right we have the normal mode. So this is how it works here. And for now let's go to this one button here at the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get access to advanced camera settings, and we can pick the general settings, photo settings and the video settings. So this is how it works here. And let me stay on the general settings to show you what is here. At the first place we have the store location option, so by tapping on this button we can easily turn on and turn off the saving location info of our picture. So this is how it works here. Also, the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when you really want to save actual location of your picture, you have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and you have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these 2 parameters to make it work correctly. And now let me take a picture to show you how to check the location of it. And let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is the picture in the gallery. And let's move here to this button from the right. By tapping on this we get access to the details of the picture, and when we pick it we can check easily the location of our picture. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works here. And for now let's go back to the camera. And let's go back to these settings from the left, and let's focus on the next one button here. This is the exposure, so by tapping on this we get access to these options. We can change the exposure compensation of our picture, and we can make it just more dark, as you can see at the background, or more bright, as you can see. So this is how it works. Here we can manage the light of our picture before we take it. So let's move to the next one, color effect option. So when we tap on this we can pick some kind of filter, and as you can see also the background here is changing. So this is how to use this. And for now let me stay on the normal one. And let's move to the white balance. So by tapping on this we can change the temperature of our picture, and as you can see we can pick the incandescent light, and the background also is changing here like that. Then the daylight, cloudy light, twilight, shade, and also warm fluorescent. So this is how it works. I suggest you to make experiments with that and just have a good fun. And let's go to the next one button here. I want to show you. These are the image properties. By tapping on this we get access to advanced image settings. As you can see here we can adjust the sharpness, hue, saturation, brightness and contrast. We can pick low, medium and high. So this is really cool here. And this is really pro in this camera. This is not popular in standard cameras, so this is kind of pro mode here. So really good to have this. And now let's move to the next one button here, so the photo settings. And let me start with set timer. Here by tapping on this we can change the delay of taking picture, and as you can see we can pick from 2 seconds and 10 seconds. So for now let me pick 2 seconds to show you how it works. And let me take a photo. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 2 seconds of delay, so this is how it works. For now, let's turn it off. And let's move to the next one function here. This is the capture number. So here we can pick how many shots we want to have. So here we can adjust the series of pictures. We can pick 40 shots and 99 shots. So this is really big and huge here, and really cool also. So when we tap on this one button to take photo a little bit longer, we can easily take, as you can see, the series of pictures. So for now I taken 12 pictures. This is really cool here. So let's go back to the settings and let's move to the picture size. By tapping on this we can change the quality of the picture, and as you can see here we have options to pick. Of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 5 megapixels. And let's move to the preview size. By tapping on this we can change the ratio of our picture. We can pick standard and full screen. So as you can see also the background here is changing when I change this. So for now let me stay on the standard one. And let's go to the end here. By tapping on this one option we can easily manage the sounds of this camera, so we can turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here. And also we can go to the video settings. Here important thing is the electronic image stabilization, so this is really helpful when we want to record the better video. So this is how it works. Now let's go back to the general settings, slide a little bit down, as you can see here, to the end. After turning it on all of these settings, we sometimes want to go back to the auto settings. We can do it by using this option here at the end, restore defaults. So by tapping on this we can reset camera settings and go back to the original one. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.